Okay, I wanted to share this, what I'm calling it, the super gift template. I worked on this quite a bit today, off and on as the day went on. But basically what it is it's a calendar. It's like a calendar template, but it's for 2022 all the way up to 2024. So that's what, 36 months, right? 3 times 12 is 36. And I know that this is going to be something that people are going to want to use and so forth. So it takes quite a bit of time to put it all into Canva. I have some tips and tricks that I implemented and using it, implementing it to get it into Canva. Oh man, it's such a tongue twister. And so I created this for you guys. Oh, I can see right here. Actually, I got to move that over. Those aren't lined up, but it is like 99% perfect accurate, 99.99% perfect accurate. If you find something that is not right, like I'm moving these here, feel free to just, move it or just let me know and I will try and adjust it. But it's a template. It's free for you guys. Just as my way of saying thanks. And hopefully you can put it to use. Now you're probably wondering why there's such a big area up here at the top. Why, I got the April 2020 right here, why there's such a big white space up here as well as on the side. That's for you guys to do any type of design elements that you may want to add in there. Or I'm going to show you really quick how easy it is to edit this template. And let me see if I can scroll out real quick. So that way you kind of see here. So basically the grid, the lines that you see here, that is a PNG file and they're on every page, okay? They are locked, so I'm gonna go ahead and unlock that. And that is for 8.5 by 11. These pages are for 8.5 by 11. You can resize it if you want, but I always tend to work in 8.5 by 11. And so I have the grid here, and then I have the days of the week, and then as well as the numbers of the days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my left mouse button. I'm going to scroll across there and highlight all of that. Now watch, I should be able to scale this up without causing any problems or issues. Okay, so that's why the calendars themselves are smaller, tucked in the corner. One, to give you options if you wanted to put your own little design elements at the top or on the side, to give you white space, or if you wanted to scale this calendar up. So I'm gonna go ahead and redo that. Okay, undo that rather. So you can do the same thing, just do a left mouse button, you're holding it down and you're dragging it across there. And then let's say I want to scale it down. So I'm going to hold shift and grab the corner and scale it down and say I wanted to make a mini calendar. Okay. So just like that, you can move it however you want or need. Let's go ahead and undo that. And I'm going to go ahead and lock this grid PNG image there. And then I'm going to go ahead and scale up a little bit just to talk about, you can see like page 2, I have January 2020. So the days of the week, if you want to change the size, let's say, these are all lowercase, so change those in uppercase. I'm going to highlight all those, and then you can see this uppercase right here. Click on the button, and then they all became uppercase. Well, I would need to change the font size to get them to go to that, so they fit in there. So I just changed the font size, but I don't want those uppercase. I want those lowercase. Now, if I wanted to change those days of the week to a different font, so I have handwriting. Let's say I want to do it in Beth Ellen. I can do that. Same thing goes for the dates. I'm going to hold my left mouse button. I'm going to scroll across, highlight all those. All my days are numbered. I mean, all my numbered days, like the numbers of the day, are highlighted, and we're going to change those as well to Beth Ellen font. So yeah, it gives you a lot of options, a lot of opportunity to customize this template. Again, this is going from 2022 all the way to 2024. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to December 2024. See there? And let's see, I want to change this real quick. Lowercase, okay? So yeah, like I said, lots of opportunities with this template. If you want to use it, feel free. And yeah, it's my super gift template to you guys. And I hope you enjoy it. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.